Hello friends, today we're going to do a Quest protein bar taste test review in the flavor blueberry muffin. They are 180 calories, 20 grams of protein, 2 grams of sugar, and 5 net carbs. The texture was slightly crumbly and a bit sticky to the touch. They were kind of hard to get out of the packaging. They were also thick, but they were soft. The blueberry flavor was slight. It wasn't overpowering, but enjoyable. The bar is filled with dried blueberries and almonds. All in all, on a scale of sad to happy plate, I rated a happy one. The bar was pleasant and satisfying.